Mastering the phrase, in no time at all. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. We are thrilled to have you with us. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very popular English phrase, in no time at all. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations and can help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's get started and master this phrase in no time at all. In no time at all is an interesting phrase that might sound a bit confusing at first. However, it's actually quite straightforward. This phrase means very quickly or almost immediately. When someone says that something will happen, in no time at all, they are assuring you that it will happen very soon, without any significant delay. For instance, if a friend says, "I'll finish this task in no time at all," they are telling you that they will complete the task quickly. Let's break down the phrase to understand it better. In no time, this part of the phrase emphasizes the speed or swiftness of an action. At all, this is an addition to emphasize that the time taken is negligible or very little. When combined, these parts give us the full meaning of the phrase, something happening very quickly or almost immediately. To get a clearer picture, let's see how the phrase is used in sentences. 1. Don't worry about the computer issue. Our IT specialist will fix it in no time at all. 2. She adapted to her new job in no time at all, surprising everyone with her quick learning. 3. The kids cleaned up the room in no time at all. They were eager to go outside and play. In each of these sentences, the phrase, in no time at all, is used to express that an action or event occurs very quickly. While using the phrase, in no time at all, avoid these common mistakes. Don't use it for events that take a long time. It's misleading to use, in no time at all, for events that actually take a considerable amount of time. Don't confuse it with literal timelessness. The phrase is a figure of speech and doesn't literally mean that something happens instantly or without any time passing. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use the phrase, in no time at all, like a native speaker. Remember, it's a handy phrase to express that something will happen very quickly. We hope you found this session helpful and that you'll start using this phrase in your daily conversations in no time at all. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this lesson if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next session.